Good afternoon. We solve the quarter example quarter derivation for continuous frequency distribution. In this example, first we find the less than cumulative frequency and that is here less than cumulative frequency is 164, that is total number of frequency 164, and quarter derivation is the difference between third quartile divide minus quartile first, that is divide 2, and we find the first quartile value of first quartile, that is the value of n by 4 observation, and here n is 164 and the value of 164 observation, that is the value of 41 observation, and that is we see the value of the observation 41 is less than cumulative frequency, that is 30 is less and 78 is more greater than, that is 41 is lies in this 52, and we select this for quartile 1, and the corresponding class is 42, 45, and quartile first equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus Cf divide F into H, and here class interval is corresponding class interval is 40 to 45, and that is the lower limit of the class interval is 40, that is L1 is that is 40 plus n by 4, that is n is 164 and 164 divide 4, that is 41 minus Cf, that is less than cumulative frequency is 30, and divide F is 22, that is corresponding frequency is 22, and into the width of the class interval, that is 40 plus this 41 minus 30, 11 divide 22 into 5, that is 40 plus 55 divide 22, that is quartile 1 is 42.5, and similarly we find the value of quartile third, that is the value of 3n into 4 observation, the value of 3n is 164, 3 into 164 divide 4 observation, that is the value of 123 observation. And in this less than cumulative frequency, we have seen 123 is lying in 137, that is quartile third is lies the corresponding class 52, 55 to 60. That is we find the quartile third. That is quartile third equal to L1 plus 3n by 4 minus Cf divide F into I. That is corresponding class is 55 to 60. That is lower limit of this quartile division is 55 plus 3n into n is 164 divide 4 minus Cf. Cf is the less than cumulative frequency 114 divide F. F is the corresponding class corresponding frequency of class interval is 23, and width of the class interval is 5, that is 55 plus 3 into 164, that is 12, 1, 9, and this 3, 4, 492 divide 4 minus 1, 140 divide 23 into and is the value of 123 minus 115 divide 23 into 5, that is 56.95. 56.95 is the value of quartile third, and we find the quartile division equal to Q3 minus Q1 divide 2, and here Q3 is 56.95 minus Q1 is 42.5 divide 2, that is 7.2283, that is quartile division. And similarly we find the corresponding that is relative measure of quartile division is coefficient of quartile division. Relative measure of quartile division, that is Q3 minus Q1 and Q3 plus Q1 equal to, that is Q3 is 56.95 minus 42.5 divide 56.95 plus 42.5, and that is the coefficient of the relative measure of quartile division, that is coefficient of quartile division, and that is 0.4056. That is the quartile division or continuous frequency distribution. That is quartile division, it should be based on all observation. However, quartile division depend upon only two partial value. Therefore, it is not affected by any changes except the upper and lower quartile. That is, it is depend on all observation. However, quartile division depend upon only two partial value. That is, the quartile division is depend on two partial value. That is quartile 1 and quartile third. But any changes in between observation, that is it is not shown in the quartile division, is the main drawback of the quartile division. Therefore, it is not affected by any changes except the upper and lower quartile. That is the important changes of the, that is the quartile division is the the value of two partial value, that is quartile 1 and quartile third, and in between observation, that is interchanging any observation, we cannot show in the quartile division. It is the main drawback of the quartile division. And next we see the mean division. That is, quartile division is value of to partial observation, that is Q1 and Q3. That is Q1 and this Q3. That is quartile duration. Find the value of quartile 1 and quartile 3rd. But in between changes of the observation, it cannot be shown in the quartile division. It is the main drawback of the quartile division, and therefore we use the mean deviation. And next lecture we have studied the mean deviation.